and you guys just witnessed it. At this point, up to this moment, this is the best find I've ever had at a yard sale. Morning.
Morning.
It's a cool bike rack.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool for your family, though.
Yeah. 2 for $1 on the plushies.
Oh, to hold them at your house.
Tempting.
I see that.
Alright, let's take a look here. Hi, I'm Tangerine
Are
Tubby.
you setting up that thing right there?
Can be.
Yeah.
It's gonna get windy, so I'm not going to.
Oh.
Seems like every afternoon it rains this time.
What in the world?
I'll get lucky and lift.
Minnie Mouse. Hey, Mom, it's VeggieTales.
Yeah, that's good.
VeggieTales. Oh. It's
Barbara
signed by
Manatee.
someone. Yeah, Barbara Manatee. She's the one for me. I got all the songs in my head.
There you go.
They were catchy. Kelly toy.
Don't
Interesting.
remember that.
Needs cleaning. Alright, what'd you find? Oh, an iguana. This is cool. Gans. That was actually really cool. Cupcake cutie. It's a cupcake cutie. Yeah, it's a handful that I want. Yeah, Pooh. Pooh does good. Pooh does good. The Webkins are tempting.
Get them. Get them. How much are
They're
they?
twins.
For $1?
Yeah, 2 for $1.
Yeah.
Doodle
They do
pets.
that for $2. Not bad.
I am, though.
No.
Therein lies the problem. The point now where a lot of times I'll just buy plush for 50 cents. I can't really resist. I like selling them. I like buying them, and I sell them on Whatnot. People like to come to my Whatnot auctions to buy plush, and so I'm out there sourcing plush. Anything that I think's cool or vintage or retro or just adorable, I'll grab and I'll bring to my Whatnot. Every now and then I'll find something that I list on eBay, but the vast majority of plush, if I get them at 50 cents, they just go on Whatnot. I just have fun with it. Oh, those gloves. I took 20 of your plush toys, and they're 50 cents a piece.
So get $10 back?
Yeah.
We did the same math.
Yes. The math lines up.
You look, need a bag or something?
Oh, there's bags right here.
There we go.
Right? I thought so. He was buried underneath. I brought him out so people could see him. Oh, look at that. It's a beard helmet.
A printing calculator?
Yeah.
That's something people still use.
Not me.
Yeah. Ah, The Incredibles.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Nice. How much you got on your PS2?
For the whole thing, I'm asking 60.
It works?
Yeah.
Oh, classic.
Yeah.
How much are these?
So these 2 are 3, and then this one is 10.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, you got a handful of cards hiding in there. What are you talking about? It's thousands of
Bikes.
dollars?
I had this bike
Okay.
in high school.
Ah.
36,
1936.
No, I'm talking 1972. Actually, it was before high school.
Really?
Yeah.
Same exact one? Red?
No, it wasn't. It was green.
Okay. How much are the Incredibles?
That's $2.
Okay. How much are your minifigs?
So they're not real. That's the issue.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So the only things
How
that
can you
are
tell?
real is right here.
Ah, okay.
And then those are 50 cents.
Ah,
each.
okay.
Yeah.
You do 50 on your PS2 set?
I could do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do that. And then you said 3 each, so 56, 57, 58.
Yeah.
How much is that calculator up there in the box? It's like the
one in the
printing
box?
calculator, yeah.
We can do 5.
Okay, I'll get that too. That'd be 63.
Yeah.
Are you buying your old bike? He's gonna buy his old bike. You know you want it. Think of the memories.
It's got a dented rim.
Ah.
It's not a. I mean, you could probably get a rim for it, but
Yeah.
Here is 63 bucks for you.
Appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Have a good one.
You too. Remote control, whistle, and phone. That's funny. Mom needs this. You whistle, you put that on your remote, and then you do a whistle, and it makes the remote sing. But she'd lose the whistle. Yeah, look. Didn't you used to like those books? Or am I imagining that?
books.
Yeah, they're books.
Oh, Peter Rabbit.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's tempting at $10, honestly.
Or best offer.
I want to pay $5. No, it's for the set.
For the whole thing?
Do I even have $5 though? I hate me. Oh, I do have a $5. I mean, that's got to be the offer they're expecting, right? Those are pretty cool. Could you do 5 on the book set?
Yes.
You're torn? You're...
Yeah, awesome.
Okay. You're getting sunglasses? There you go.
There you go.
Thank
All
you.
yours. You want it back for
No, I'll just hold them. You getting sunglasses?
I mean, just to get them out of here.
Yeah.
My daughter.
I like how they got the little buttons.
There.
Yeah.
They get
Full
some nice
set.
use.
Very cute. You look good.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, they suit you. Yeah, they suit you.
Yeah, they're scrunched up pretty bad.
Yeah. No saving them.
A lot of lights.
Just trying to save your money. I had one. Okay, yeah, fine. What's that, Dave?
It's a router.
Ah. How about these plants?
I don't know if the plants are for sale.
Are you selling the plants, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And how much are they?
They're 10 apiece, but I'll do all 3 for 25.
If I ran the circus.
They're all tropical hibiscus.
What are they?
Hibiscus?
Muffins, chocolate chip. I get some muffins.
Right there, like the choose. This
Okay.
is banana nut, and this is chocolate chip. And then if you need a blueberry, they're kind of like.
Alright. I'll do one of each. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yep.
Sheree, can I borrow 20?
We got some muffins.
What?
The muffins.
David, I got something heavy for you to carry.
Oh, what am I buying?
Those 3 the hibiscus. What kind do your kids like, Dave?
I got, well, whatever. Chocolate
This
chip.
is banana nut.
Yeah,
There's
they probably like
chocolate chip here, and then
I think that one's a
blueberries
blueberry.
kinda ducked
Yeah, here's the
They'll
chocolate chip
probably
on the
just
top.
like
Chocolate.
I don't think they're
They're-
that heavy. It's just these 3, David. One is
What am I doing?
big, these plants. The hibiscus. Wait, Dave, we need to a little bit harder.
They're
Which one's the
very
heaviest?
hardy.
Oh, yeah, I can't even carry these.
I'll get one of them for you. These 2 are a little lighter.
Come on. We're buying dirt.
OPC tires.
What?
He's got OPC tires.
He said he's gonna go get some tires.
I thought he said I have OPC tires.
No, not what he said.
I think I have OPC on mine.
Clearly.
Good morning, folks. How y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
Very well.
Come
An old woman.
on, look, it's a Teletubby. I'm gonna skip it.
He's like the money or does he?
Learn groove.
We don't really have a lot here, do they, David?
Mm,
No. I do not know why.
these are okay. If it works, let me plug it in. Come on, you see this? Like a little gerbil thingy. Let's see if this thing works. This could be good.
Doesn't work. $20. Nah. The Pizza Pal is cool.
The what?
The Pizza Pal.
Where's that?
Put like your pizza in it.
Yeah.
But at 10 I'd do it. No. How much are these? $2 for all of them? Or is it 2 each?
Each.
2 each?
Would you do 10 on the pizza thing?
Well, how much do you want it for? Come on.
Why? What is
I'm
it
very
like to
cheap.
say?
I'm very cheap.
No, you're not cheap. You're conservative.
I'm conservative.
That's not professional.
I'll give you $1 for this one.
All right. Well, if you want those for $1, I'll let you have for $1.
Oh, okay.
This is you, and since you were so nice. Made me feel guilty. You can't even sleep without your $10,000 in your big boy collar. I love them little things, I tell you.
Would you take 10 for this or no?
Yeah, 15.
15? 15. What do you think, baby?
Now, come on.
Does it work?
Great. It's never been used.
It's never been used, huh?
I don't mean never, but
Yeah, it looks clean. Okay, I'll get it.
yeah, it's nice. I just
15.
you got your little plates here. I mean, you can look at it, plug it up, and feel more
No,
comfortable.
we do. See, we would like to take for this on.
Well, I don't blame it. I mean, really, if you feel comfortable.
No,
I think- well,
you
yeah,
want me to
hold this
plug it in or you feel
Let's
comfortable
put
with
it,
it,
let's
babe?
put it this way, you take it home, if there's anything wrong,
Okay.
you bring it back.
Okay.
I'll
I'm
put
sure
it
it
that
works.
way,
Here's
because I-
15 for
Sure
it.
it
You know,
works.
okay.
Okay.
I appreciate
And this is
that.
part of it, these pieces,
Yeah,
yeah?
that goes in there
Okay.
somehow or another, but I don't have my mom.
And there's a big power cord.
Yeah,
Did you
if
go
it-
through a lot of stuff yesterday?
Well,
Did it-
another
was it
thing,
busy
but of course we
yesterday?
got this thing so low, it should not be. Enjoy somebody getting something.
Yeah.
But listen, I'm sure.
I'm sure it'll work.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
You have a blessed
You too.
Hi there, how are you? Excuse me.
I'm
wanted to
just
see you.
looking at this disturbing mask thing.
Isn't that awesome? That's some Halloweeniness there.
That's crazy. That's actually a mask you wear?
Yeah, you can pick it up off that stick
Oh my
there. It's just
gosh.
got a trash bag up in it to maintain
Oh, I see.
its
Okay.
shape and all
Wow,
that.
that's epic.
So you can either wear it or you can put it on something.
Jeez.
It's so for us, it's been a prop, you know. But you
Wow.
Can wear it.
That's a get shot real quick hat.
Right?
Cool.
That silver is I included a couple
The
of
L word.
papers in there that'll tell you what some of the replacement prices are for some of it. That my mom had actually asked about ordering this part and that part.
Oh, really?
I have no idea how complete it is or anything, but I'm sure that it's worth a bunch. But it's one of
Yeah.
those things, if you have time to fiddle with it, I don't.
Yeah. Rogers.
Expensive, but I feel like you could spend, 2 years trying to sell it one at a time like
Oh, I know,
You
right?
didn't know what you were doing, which I don't.
Yeah. Once.
My eyes.
Yeah, my eyes aren't good either. Oops. How much are you selling this set for?
$25 for the box and everything in it.
Okay. Plate. This piece is silver. These are all silver plate. Let me sneak by you, Mom. Can I sneak in?
Oh, sure. Don't go.
Sterling, Denmark. It's a mix of silver plate and I'll take it though. I'll do some work for it. Actually, I saw some over here I wanted too. This here. Both of those.
Now, if you're the Harry Potter guy, so
Yeah, my kids like it.
Harry Potter, got that scene at
Yeah, I saw you had something over here too. Party favors?
kid stuff, but there's
Yeah.
there's a couple little party favors and the glasses, and there's a little birdie box pack. I would not recommend eating those.
No, yeah, me and my kids have had them. Hold on to your butt, Mom. Look.
Yeah, those are for the beach or somewhere when
Yeah.
you sit around and you don't have a place to put them,
Markers. Alright, let's see what else. I got a handful of stuff. Let me see what else I want.
People always ask me what my best find ever at a yard sale has been, and you guys just witnessed it. At this point, up to this moment, this is the best find I've ever had at a yard sale. Now, it was hiding. I kind of spotted it, but it was kind of hard because there was so much that wasn't that exciting in here. But at the bottom, there was this set of Dansk silverware, and this is a super rare set of silverware. And on the back, in tiny little writing, it says Dansk Sterling. It's a little square there, and I'm telling you, tons of Rogers, which is okay. Rogers like sterling or Rogers silver plate on top, and I actually did lot that up and sell it for like $40 or something. But there was actually some pieces in there, even some of the serving spoons that sell for $15-20 a piece. But it's this stuff, this Dansk silver. This is a serving of 8. Really, all that stuff. This thing was like full. This is all the value right here. This is all the silver that's hiding in there. There was a few other silver pieces that I listed. Based on sold comps, I listed this for $2,300 plus shipping. Why not charge them shipping too? But I don't know if I'll get that. Based on comps, I think we can get at least $2,000 for what's in this box, and we paid $25. Basically, what I was doing when I was looking through this was trying to find sterling silver. I found like 2 or 3 pieces, and I said, yeah, $25 I'm going to pay for it. Because just one piece of actual sterling silverware, even if you sell it individually, is usually worth about $20 to $30. So I figured if I can find 2 pieces, then at $25 this would be worth a buy, and maybe there'll be more hiding inside. So I went for it. I didn't know while I was at the sale how good this was. I even went to list this and was asking for some advice from people, and someone over on my Discord for our podcast said, yo, if you have that whole set, you need to list it for $2,000. So I was about to list them individually for like $20 a piece, not realizing that the set itself had huge value. But I'm learning every day, and I'm really excited about this buy. Hopefully we can actually see this thing sell for $2,000 plus. That would be awesome. Follow me on my Flips channel, ADHD Flips, to find out if that happens.
I am tempted by that creepy mask. Are you flexible at all on the price?
Not much on
No.
that, I'll tell you. That thing was, I think it was about $150 new.
Where'd you get it?
They're pretty high end. That one probably came from Spencer's many years ago. They
Okay.
used to sell the big
Yeah.
exotic ones. I think I had 3 or 4 other different big ones like that. They were the really high end Hollywood.
Yeah.
Whatever the
Definitely getting this stuff. I'd do 40 on that mask if it was interesting to you. If not, no biggie.
All right, I'll do it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you're getting other stuff too.
I gotta get more money then.
I'll do that. Thanks.
Okay, so 60, 20, 40, 65. So basically, in $69, here is 70.
All right, here you go.
Got a buck from
Got
her?
it
Yeah.
right in here.
Perfect. Okay, cool.
Thanks very
Oh,
much.
thank you. I appreciate it. Let me close. This might close up, yeah?
Yes, it will.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.